Helendorf Inn and Suites is located at 33 Munich Street in Helen, Georgia. The Helendorf is located in the center of Helen. Now at the Helendorf Inn, you are just steps away from all that Helen has to offer. You're just a few minutes walk from restaurants, shops, nightlife, in almost any direction. That means you can park your car and not move it again for your entire stay. Now, if you want to, then you can drive through the mountains, hike the Appalachian Trail, or take in the many natural wonders that northeast Georgia has to offer. Now it's time to take a quick look around the Helendorf property. Let's go past the heated indoor pool and look on the back side of this building. Hope you enjoyed this quick little tour. If you would like a more extensive tour, I have other videos on the channel.